Okay, so I think I've now pieced together the essentials of what I'm going to get your mom, which is I've got an 8-bit IP35 Pro motherboard, which was my previous desktop that I had. And I came in one day, this was during last October, and the thing wouldn't boot. And after extensive diagnosis, it turned out to be a bad video card. But by the time I figured out it was a bad video card, I basically had completely ripped out the motherboard and guts of my computer and replaced it with a whole new motherboard and a whole new CPU and memories and so on. Since I always tend to do things at the extremes. So, but anyway, here it is. And one of the issues I had with the other one that I want to get you is you need these face plates in order to properly seat the motherboard inside the case. So typically these cases come and they have this area here, if you can see this area right here, and you have to put a little faceplate. So this faceplate's going to go in there like so, and it accommodates all the components, all the external components of the motherboard. So here you can see the Ethernet connections, the USB ports, the audio, etc., the mice, keyboard and mouse ports, and so on. So this faceplate goes essentially up here in front of this. Well, anyway, I won't go through the details, but the other motherboard that I had, I was missing this stupid faceplate. And I would have shipped you a computer, which without this faceplate, it would have just been clunky. Would have been a bad sort of sloppy job. But I think this motherboard in this case is going to do you good. So my next step is to go off to Micro Center. Now this guy's missing the heatsink for the CPU. There's the CPU right there. And you see the white gunk on there. Well, that's the leftover from the water block that I used to cool this CPU. And so I need to I'll probably just get a new CPU heatsink with a little bit more pizzazz so that I can provide you something that we can cool using the variable fan controller module. So, okay, so this is your computer coming together for you, Mom. All right. Next stop, Micro Center. All right, we made it to Micro Center, and it's way back there in the background. This is where, let's see if I can do this right. There it is, Micro Center. All right, all my gizmos are by there these days. All right, we made it to Micro Center. Well, as we go into Micro Center here, one issue here is I don't know if they're going to let me film when I go inside. So if I can actually film, it'd be kind of neat. I can show you all the racks and shelves of stuff. But they might not let me film. So anyway, so the plan here is to get the fan controller and a fanless video card. And that should do me. There's a Micro Center. Hello. Hello. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Okay, inside Micro Center. I'm gonna film until they tell me to stop. So all the computer stuff is way in the back. Way over there. Well, these are all the video cards they've got. They got a big selection. And if you go here,
it will run.
so you got to find a fanless video card here.
Something I'm missing here, because any other thing with a gig of GPU3, just like...
Well, I'm waiting for the service guy to show up, but he doesn't seem to be paying attention to me. But I did find this GE Force, this one here. That might be the ticket. But I'm gonna ask this guy. Excuse me. Well, these are the CPU coolers. Big fans of all sorts. And anyway, so I got one. Ooh, the last piece in the puzzle. Fan controllers. So we've got this K's Meister. Probably I'll get something like that. And there's some more down here, multi-fan controller. Alright. So one of these. So I'm gonna buy one of these fan controllers. Okay. I got what I came for. Yes, I did. So it's all there. Video card and what else? We got the fan controller on the bottom and heat sink and so on. So we're all set. Okay, down to build the PC from on. That's the line to get out. Well, I finally got out of there. It's a huge line. Well, Merry Christmas, Mom. So one thing that was interesting is they put these little stickers on everything you buy. And I talked to one of the sales associates, and it turns out they make $4 an hour in there. And the little stickers is their commission that they make on all the boxes or the stuff that they sell. So it's tough working over at Micro Center. Glad I don't work there.